Hi, friends. So today we're going to be reading A Tree is For. This is a nonfiction book. Nonfiction means this is real information. So this is going to tell us all different things that grow on trees and that we can do with trees and that we can make from trees. So here we go. What are trees for? They're for giving us a cool spot to have a picnic. Trees are for shade and much, much more. A tree is for having fun. My swing hangs from a tree in my backyard. When my dad pushes me, I fly high in the sky. And some of you may have a swing in your backyard too. We climb up to play in our secret treehouse. A treehouse can be a pirate ship, a clubhouse, or even a spaceship. You can make it whatever you want it to be. Our family goes camping in the dark, deep woods. At night, we tell spooky stories around the campfire. So here, the children in the dark are sitting on the trunk of a tree that must have been old and fell down. And they're using it to sit on. Trees are great when you're playing hide and seek. Don't peek before you're done counting. A tree is for delicious food. Have you ever been apple picking? Apples, oranges, bananas, and pears all grow on trees. Have you ever picked your own fruit off of a tree? Maple syrup comes from a tree. Just catch the sap in a bucket to make maple sugary treats. Nuts also grow on trees. But be careful, walnuts, pecans, but be careful because animals like squirrels, they love nuts too. So you got to make sure you get those nuts before they find them. And also, did you know that chocolate can grow on trees? These are called cacao beans and they grow on trees and it turns into chocolate, which is in the frosting that this little boy is eating. Also, a tree is for building houses, all different kinds of houses. This is a river house, a thatched house, look, a boat house, and a log cabin. People use trees to build new houses. At a lumber mill, people can cut tree logs into wooden boards of different lengths and widths. So here, they cut them into all different sizes and they're now building a house. A tree is also for making all kinds of things. Guitars, even baseball bats. And wooden canoes. A canoe is kind of like a small boat. And did you know that rubber comes from trees? So these tires are made out of rubber, and rubber comes from the sap in the tree. If you pick up your pencil and take a look, it's made from wood too. Even paper is made from wood. And a tree also makes our planet a better place to live. Trees clean our air when the leaves make food. The leaves take some carbon dioxide out of the air and they put oxygen back in, and oxygen helps us breathe. So trees help us breathe. And then the trees have roots, which help, when water gets into the roots, helps the tree grow. Best of all, trees make our planet beautiful. Have you ever been outside when all the leaves fall off the trees and they're all different colors, like orange and red and brown and green? And then you get to jump in piles of leaves. That's always the most fun part of fall. And that's the end of our Tree is For book. Maybe you can think of some other things that maybe trees can do, or how trees can help us, or how you use trees. See you later, friends.